Good morning, students. Today I will teach you the story The Three Questions, which is written by Leo Tolstoy. This story is about a king who wants to know the answers of three questions in order to run his kingdom properly. First, he wanted to know the answers from his countrymen, but no one could satisfy him with the answers. At last, he disguised himself as a common man and went to a famous hermit in the forest, where he got all his answers through self-realization. So let's start the story. So the king announced throughout his kingdom that he would give a great reward to one who would answer the three questions. So what were the three questions? The first question was, what is the right time to begin everything? किसी चीज को शुरू करने का सही समय क्या होता है? The second question was, right people to listen. कौन से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको हम सुने, जिनको हम फॉलो करें? The most important thing to do. और सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण, सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग क्या है जिसको पहले किया जाना चाहिए? ठीक है? So when he announced that he will give an award to one who will give three answers. So listening this, many countrymen came and they gave answers differently. One of them said, to know the right time for every action, one must draw up a table of days, month, and year and must follow it. Others said that it's impossible to decide beforehand the right time for any action. Others advised him to have a council of wise men who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. But many of them opposed and said that everything cannot be laid before a council. It's only magician who knows it. So what was the second question? The second question was right people to listen. वो कौन से लोग हैं जिनको हमको सुनना चाहिए या फॉलो करना चाहिए? The answers of second question were also various. Some said counselors, others said priests, others said doctors, and some said warriors are the most important people to listen. In the same way, answers of third question were also different. Some said most important occupation was science. Others said it is skill in warfare. Many said no, it's worship. So in this way, no one could give the proper answer. So now the king got confused. Finally, no one got the reward, and now the king decides to meet a hermit who was very wise and popular to know the answer of his question. The hermit lived in a wood and never quitted that place. He only received common people, so the king put on simple cloth, and before reaching his cell, he got off from his horse and left his bodyguard also, so that he may appear a common man. When the king approached him, the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. Seeing him, the hermit greeted him and kept on digging. The hermit was frail. Each time he stuck his spade into the ground, he breathed heavily. The king said that he had come to him to ask three questions and repeated the question. The hermit heard but did not answer any of his question. Now the king said, "You are tired. Let me work for you." The hermit thanked him and gave the spade to the king and sat down on the ground. While digging, the king again asked the same question, and again he did not get any answer. Now hermit asked him to take a rest and let him work for a while.